George Washington Carver. George Washington Carver was born in 1864 in Missouri. He was a slave. He lived on a large farm. George liked to grow plants and study them. He wanted to learn more about plants. He left the farm in 1875 to go to school. Most black people did not have the chance to go to school. George went to schools in Missouri and Kansas. He studied hard. George finished high school in 1884. He went to college in Iowa. He studied painting, plants, and farming. George finished college in 1896. George began to teach at Tuskegee Institute in Alabama. Tuskegee was a school for black people. George taught students about plants and farming. Many farmers in the southern United States grew cotton, but cotton stopped growing well in the late 1800s. The soil was no longer fertile. George wanted to make the soil fertile again. George taught farmers about other crops. Farmers started growing peanuts and sweet potatoes. These crops helped make the soil fertile again. George showed farmers how people could use peanuts and sweet potatoes. He made cheese, ink, and soap from peanuts. He made molasses, rubber, and glue from sweet potatoes. George Washington Carver taught at Tuskegee Institute for 47 years. He died in 1943. People remember him for helping farmers. George is famous for inventing new ways to use crops.